India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it.
నాన్నగారి మందులు కూడా అయిపోయాయిరా, వచ్చేటప్పుడు తీసుకురా నాన్న.
ఏం రోజు నాకు గోలా ప్రసన్నగా ఉండరా?
I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.